Today I'm making a measurement using the Jandel Universal Probe in combination with the Jandel RM3000 Plus test unit. The Universal Probe has a built-in light shield which, when raised, reveals the 4-point mechanism below. There are 4 tension gauges, one for each needle. These can be set between 10 and 100 grams load per needle and are adjusted using the screws at the back. There's an air dash pot which controls the velocity of descent of the needles. And there are 2 micrometer slides, one in the X direction, one in the Y direction. For measurement at the centre of the table, these should be set at 12.5 millimeters, and either can be adjusted for making further measurements up to 12.5 millimeters in either direction, giving a total area of measurement of 25 by 25 millimeters. When placing a sample, make sure the needles are raised, which is done by lifting this lever. And then when you want to lower the needles onto the measurement sample, press this button, which lowers the needles. I'm using a current of 10 milliamps. I'm passing this forwards through the sample. At this point, it's good practice to zero the measurement in case of any voltage offsets, and then you can check whether the reading's valid. We have 29.27 millivolts in the forward direction, and we have 29.24 millivolts in the reverse direction. These closely match, and so it indicates a good reading. Using the ohms per square button, we can see this is 13.25 ohms per square. Always leave the unit in standby, especially when you're going to raise or lower the needles. In this case, I've raised them, and therefore it's safe to remove the sample without scrubbing the needles. There is a spreading resistance mode on the Universal Probe. It's a 3-point mode. This is accessed by lowering this lever to the red lines. And in this measurement mode, when the button is pressed, needles 2 and 4 will descend first onto the sample, closely followed by needle 3, ready to make spreading resistance measurements.